So earlier, when there were hardly any NGOs, and government wasn't that active. I think we started then, where we decided not to just sit back at home and complain about it, but we decided that we'll do something about it. So the first adoption camp was in 2015. Hardly anybody in Ladakh have heard about adopting a stray dog. Till then, I think everybody saw stray dogs as something dirty, something to be kept only in the streets. It's not very difficult to find puppies, right? Over the year, we keep getting messages from people that wherever they'll find abandoned puppies, and puppies who are orphans. So we keep them in touch, and then we tell them that whenever we'll have a adoption camp, they're going to be our priority. So on the day of adoption, either these people volunteer to get them, or we go and get them. This whole process of adoption is very well planned. That we have an online form as well, where all the details that we need of the adopter is documented: their picture, their ID proof, their address proof, with their phone numbers, right? And then after the adoption is done, we follow it up for 2-3 months. When they see the puppy in the market, and when they see that they're going to do something amazing, very compassionate. So I think they get this adrenaline rush. They forget about the responsibilities, even though they go through tens and 15 questions that we ask. We ask them repeatedly whether they are absolutely sure, and we do not give puppies away to kids, or college going students, unless we talk to the parents and they have okayed it. So even with the adults, sometimes when they take it the second day or third day, they realize that it's a lot of work, it's a lot of responsibility, and it's not an easy job. Then they realize that that maybe they're not up for it. So now, very happily, I'm saying that our work has decreased over the years, with the government working rapidly on sterilization, and all these amazing NGOs working on stray animals. Understand the fact that whatever they are going to adopt is not merely an animal, but they have their own needs, physical, mental, emotional needs. And also in space, they should have a proper space in it. So unless you're not ready, absolutely ready to give them time, love, and the space, care, and also the protection, there are a lot of stray dogs outside, and sometimes if you're just going to keep the puppy outside, it could be dangerous for the puppy, right? Somebody who really understands the responsibility of taking a living thing in their home, and providing them with the same things that they would provide to a child, right? So that person would be, I think, thanks to social media also, and a lot of other NGOs, and I think these adoption camp has also a part in it. So people gradually have began to um, gather the idea that they are also a living being, and they also feel hungry, sad, and they also feel the pain.
Just let me hold your hand. Wherever I go, you are my home. So just let me hold. Just let